Embark on an exciting West End tour in Grand Cayman, where you'll explore the island's famous attractions in just a handful of hours. Begin with a visit to the governor's residence, capturing stunning photos while learning about its history from your knowledgeable guide. Continue to the iconic 7-mile beach, offering ample photo opportunities. The highlight of the tour awaits the Cayman Turtle Centre, where you'll interact with green sea turtles, from adorable hatchlings to majestic 500-pound adults. Discover endangered species like the Kemp Ridley turtle and gain insights into the center's conservation efforts, creating a memorable experience for both children and adults. Next, venture to the fascinating geological wonder called Hell, featuring a vast field of black, jagged limestones reaching towards the sky. Your tour concludes with a visit to the Tortuga Rum Cake Outlet. After this exciting day tour, you're ready to head back to your drop-off point, having seen the best parts of Grand Cayman's West End.